Barbie Fortes update, yung press conference ng horror movie ni Barbie na Penthouse 77, kasama iba pang cast, at in-interview pa nga si Barbie ng mga press. Ang daming gustong itanong kay Barbie dyan. Ito yung video. Ang pagdating ni Barbie, sasabihin nyo. Press conference ni Barbie.
Masyadong maganda kung maraming nandito po kayo. Kaya maraming salamat po. But before anything else, let me ask you an important question. Sino po nito ang nangangarap na magkaroon ng luxury condo? Put your hands up in the air. Barbie, ayan ako, marami po. Ayan, pare-pareho po tayo. Don't you worry that itong hapong ito na po ang susi sa pangarap na yan. Kapuso Primetime Princess, Miss Barbie Fortes. Makakasama rin po natin.
Ayan, hello naman po, Kuya Bedong. Thank you so much for hosting today's event. And to everyone, to our beloved friends from the press, to all the creatives, Sparkle, JD Public Affairs, GMA Pictures, GMA Network, thank you so much for making this day possible. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagpunta for braving the storm. Thank you so much for being here. It means a lot to all of us. We all know how challenging movie industry is today. So we really appreciate all your efforts of being here and helping us promote a very beautiful project. Actually, it is an alternative narrative horror film. Ibig sabihin ay siya, kumbaga parang maraming mga layers yung story namin. Hindi siya yung straightforward na pelikula. Pero para sa akin, it's a very heartwarming film about family, panganay, na nagmamahal sa bunsong kapatid, lahat ay gagawin. So, kahit horror siya, it's very relatable. It's a movie for everyone. Kaya, dapat po talagang panoorin ng lahat ito. So, yun. July 30 po! It is an alternative narrative horror film. Ibig sabihin ay siya, kumbaga parang maraming mga layers yung story namin. Hindi siya yung straightforward na pelikula. Pero para sa akin, it's a very heartwarming film about family, panganay, na nagmamahal sa bunsong kapatid, lahat ay gagawin. So, kahit horror siya, it's very relatable. It's a movie for everyone. Kaya dapat po talagang panoorin ng lahat ito. So, July 30 po!
I'm a big horror fan. I'm a huge moviegoer, and this is the type of film na I would really want to see in theaters kasi I want to share the experience with the rest of the audience. And this is that type of film. And para sarili ko yung mapanood ko sa ganong klaseng pelikula na gusto kong panoorin. Together with the great, brilliant ensemble cast of this film, para mas maging maganda at mas makabuluhan ang kwento namin. Sobrang fulfillment yung para sa akin bilang isang aktor. Dahil, like I said kanina, challenging ang ating film industry.
Gratefully, well aware po ako na handling ako gratefully. Kasi, honestly, nakailang tawag kami dalawa. Sige na, make this work. Kasi yung schedule, kasabay mo siya ng pulang araw last year. Last year po namin ito ginawa. Eh medyo tight din po yung schedule namin ng meeting ng pulang araw. Tapos talaga nagtatawagan kami ng direct. Sabi ko, sige na Barbie, make this work, ganyan. So, sabi ko, yes, direct. I will make sure na ako mag-aaraw-araw ko, pulang araw, tapos P77. Bahala na si Lord kung paano ko gagawin. So, yun, opo. And I'm super grateful and thankful to Direct Eric, to GMA Pictures, GMA Public Affairs, Clever Minds also. Kasi, parang it's a blessing na mabigyan ka ng ganang klaseng pressure. Kasi ibig sabihin, great things are expected of you. That's why handpicked ka, di ba? Na parang ang sarap sa tenga na iniisip pa lang nila yung storya, tinubuo pa lang nila yung storya, ako na yung nasa isip nila. So it's a good pressure because it means great things are expected of me. And so I always brought my A game to the set. Hindi ko ginawang excuse na galing ako sa isang napakalaking proyekto. Kaya lubos po ako nagpapasalamat dahil from start to finish, binabayan talaga ako ni Direk.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Twitch for the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.